Okay, here I want to show you the answers and the reason why. So we have the thesis statement. We have it here. There are three main advantages to living in New Caledonia. Three main advantages which say, what the whole paragraph is going to be looking at. It introduces us to the whole paragraph, and we could say there are three main benefits or three main positive aspects. We know that we're going to be talking about three. We know the second one is, first of all, because that's our topic sentence. We have the transition, first of all, here to help us. New Caledonia has every kind of landscape. We want to support this idea of every kind of landscape with supporting ideas. We have, this means one day you can climb a mountain. Another day you could go hiking in a forest. So we're looking at all the different landscapes that we could, the kind of landscapes that we could look at. Then we have another transition which leads us to here, the fourth sentence. Secondly, it's another transition signal. We know that we're moving from one idea to the next. It has a rich, interesting history that's fascinating to learn about. We want to know the history. So where are we going to go for that? For example, this is our transition. We know we're going to support our ideas. You can go scuba diving. You can see the World War II and visit the museum. All of those things are supporting evidence. We then move on to the next idea, finally. So last transition, this is our third point, and you could say thirdly, you could say lastly. It would be up to you. Numi is the most beautiful capital city in the South Pacific. We want to support that idea by saying the city is the gateway to New Caledonia's unforgettable islands, because this talks about the new South Pacific. All of this information is supporting information. And then in conclusion, this is to summarize the paragraph. And like I have the image, I have an image later which I'll show you of a hamburger. And the idea is that we layer the hamburger. We have the top, the topic sentence, we have the bottom, the bun, which is the conclusion. And then in the middle, the three ideas we have maybe the meat, the cheese, and the lettuce, or the meat, the lettuce, and the tomato. Okay, so we're supporting those ideas.